Power. Then do you think you got power over those birds? Louder. Do you think you should scream louder over those birds? Over me, over the world. Clever. Then you should learn to be clever. Cause you're so dumb to keep him prisoner, to make you feel over something for once. No birds in